morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to discuss with you a new chapter, lesson 3, fiber to fabric. Look around you children. What do you feel? You can see different types of clothes. It may be curtain, it may be tablecloths, it may be pillow cover or bed sheet or your clothes itself, right, like that. Is it children? So we are wearing different varieties of clothes. Why we are wearing different varieties of clothes? Based on the weather, climate, we are wearing the different types of clothes. It may be woolen clothes, it may be cotton or silk clothes, like that. Dear students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about what is fiber, what is fabric, what are the sources of fiber. Okay, so we can check these three topics today's class. Okay, so before that I will show you one activity. All of you listen here. What is this children? It is a type of a cloth or it is a fabric. We can say this is a fabric or this is a cloth. Okay, in this one you can see when you are zoom your eyes, you can see it is a one type of cloth. No, two types of clothes crisscross like that horizontally and vertically. Two types of clothes are there, right? And when I check these clothes, first I am going to take this cloth, only one thread I am going to take out. Okay, only one thread from this cloth I am going to take out. Okay children, only one thread. Okay, can you see this one? And this thread, I took this thread from my fabric. Okay, and this thread, when I check again, it is a twisted. 2 or 3 threads are there. Actually, listen here, 2 or 3 threads are there. It is a twisted thread. When I check again and again, I got 1, 2, 3 strand, I think so. Look here children, I got again 2 or 3 strand from this thread. Clear? Okay. Okay children. So this thread, this small thread we call what? This small thread we call fibers. Okay. This small thread we call fibers. When these fibers are twisted, what I will get? Yarn. Okay. When these fibers are twisted, I got yarn. Understood? And when this yarn arranged horizontally and vertically, I get what? My fabric. Okay, clear? So now I think now you understood what is fiber, what is yarn, what is fabric. I will explain one more time. You have to be listen here. So dear children, so from this activity, first I took one fabric, is it? That is my cloth. Then, after when I check one thread from the cloth, I get yarn. Okay, yarn is a small thread. Okay, small thread I get from that fabric. Okay, this yarn is like this. Is it children? 2 or 3 yarn twisted together, right? Then after that, when I remove again, I get what children? Fabric. Fabric is a small thread. Understood? Fabric is a small thread. Clear all of you? So fabric. So this fabric is made up of twisted yarn. This twisted yarn is made up of small different type of thread of fabrics. Clear all of you? Okay children? Then. So we finish fiber and fabric. Now I am going to teach you sources of. Dear children, now we are going to check what are the sources of fibers. From where we will get the fibers. We will get the fibers from plants and animals. You already know that, right? We will get the fibers from plants and animals. Is it? Okay. Then from plants, what are the different plants giving fibers? Cotton plant, right? Example we can write it as you already learned in your lower classes. Cotton plants give cotton fiber. Then jute plant give jute fibers, right? Then what about animal fibers, children? Do you know what are the animal fibers? Wool from sheep. Wool is a type of fiber. Then another type of animal fiber is silk. Okay. Another type of animal fiber is silk. We will get from the silk worm. Okay, dear children. We will get the fibers from plants and animals. This plants fiber you already learned in lower classes. Now I am going to explain about animal fiber. So two type of animal fibers are wool and silk. So now I am going to explain about wool fiber. From where we will get the wool, children? We will get the wool fiber from hair of the sheep or goat or camel or yak, like that. So now I am going to explain about how we can get that wool fiber. Mainly 5 processes are there. Okay, 5 processes. What are they? Shearing, scouring, sorting, cleaning of burrs, dyeing and rolling. Through these 5 processes only we will get the yarn. Okay, yarn of that sheep. Okay, so first one is shearing. What is shearing? Do you know shaving? That you already know, right? Shearing means actually shaving off what? Shaving off hairy skin. Hairy skin means, shaving of hairy skin means it includes both hair and thin layer of a skin. Thin layer of skin. Okay. It includes both hair and thin layer of skin. First what we will do, children? First we are shaving the sheep of hair. Okay. And after that scouring. After shaving we will get some hairs, is it? With a dry skin. That shared skin, what we will do? That shared skin we will put in a big tank. Okay. For why? For why we are putting it in a big tank? Because for removing the dust particles from it or removing the dirty particles from it. Now it is used by machine we are using this scouring process. After that sorting, we are sending the hairy skin into different factory based on the texture. Okay, children. So we are sending that hairy skin into different factory based on the texture. Then cleaning of burrs. From that we cleaning the burrs, and after that we will get fibers. Okay, cleaned fibers we will get from the 4th process. Okay, then after that fiber, I already showed you 5 things, different types strands that we are using dye. Actually sheep brown, black or white color, if you want to if you want to dye any color, we are using the dye for these fibers. Okay, we are using the dye. Then after that we are rolling. After that what we will do? After dyeing we will rolling that fibers. Actually you can see even at your home also you can see the rolling yarn, is it? Rolling yarn, different colors of rolling yarn. Clear, children? That rolling we are making through combing that fibers and we are rolling it. Then we will make the yarn. Okay, yarn of it. So now you understood, children? So what we will do, children? For getting the fibers from the sheep, first process is shearing, shaving. Then scouring means shared hairy skin we are putting in a big tank. Now using by machine, and sorting, sort out that skin based on the texture. Then cleaning of burrs and dyeing. We are putting the dye means I already told you have to be using different colors for dyeing the fibers. Then rolling. After that you can make a roll like a yarn. Okay, these are the different process for making wool fibers. All of you clear? Okay, children, so you have to learn this topic very nicely. This is very important, so you should learn. So dear children, next you have to do one activity, that is paste the pictures of animals whose hair is used as a wool. Okay, so some animals photo you have to be pasted in that notebook, or otherwise if you don't have the picture of that animal, what you will do, you have to draw the picture of the animal. Okay, so we can meet in our next class. Thank you.